How to enable 2FAS Authenticator app for Twitter? Step 1. Install 2FAS Authenticator on your phone. Download our app. Step 2. Turn on two-step authentication for Twitter. You will need a Twitter account and your phone. Let's start with two-step authentication settings on Twitter. In the menu on the left, click More, then click Settings and Privacy. Tap Security, click Login Verification. Now click the Login Verification checkbox. You will see information considering two-step verification. Click Start. Enter your Twitter password to verify the process and click the button. Add your phone number if you haven't added it before. Twitter will send you verification code. Enter verification code and click the Submit button. You have finished the first part of verification. Click the Get Backup Code button. Read instruction. Keep the backup code. Now click the Account tab. Then Security tab and click Login Verification. Click Mobile Security App checkbox. Click the Start button. Step 3. Set up your phone. Open 2FAS Authenticator app and scan the QR code. Well done! Now click Next. Enter 6-digit code from 2FAS Authenticator app. Click Verify. Almost done. Click Got it. Hurrah! You're ready! Now log in again. Step 4. Log in with 2FAS Authenticator. Log in. Click Choose a different verification method. Click Use a Code Generator app. Now you can use 2FAS Authenticator app. You're done. You're ready to log in with 2FAS Authenticator.